What is going on, guys? I'm going to give you a quick update on the little Honda Z50 restoration. It's going to be a pretty short video. I'm going to show you where I've got the bike right now, the next things I'm going to do to it, and show you the parts I've accumulated in the past week and a half or so, and let you know what's coming in. Things you can buy, things to upgrade, things that you wouldn't believe Honda did. So let me, without further ado, take you onto the bike. So here's the little 71 Z50, guys. As you see it right now, this is where I'm at. I took the headlight bucket off today. That was just the last little piece. I've been kind of picking at it as I go throughout the week. Took the fenders off, got everything pretty much out. The exhaust is off, and I'm going to show you something really, really weird about the exhaust in just a minute. Basically, I've got everything down to where I can just take the suspension and the motor off, and then I'm going to separate the forks from the rest of the frame. We've ordered a bunch of powder coat just to try and match that exact candy ruby red, because I'm going to try and powder coat the frame and the forks. We're going to paint the headlight bucket and the tank. And of course, I've got new bars for this. I'll show you guys all the new parts. This is what I want to show you, though. This is the original exhaust off this bike. It was actually in pretty good shape. The shields are good. I'm going to save most of this because I'm going to do another bike later, and I'll let you guys see how that is. But let me show you something. Here's where the pipe connects into the motor. That's not the concern. Where this muffler meets, right here, where the tailpipe connects right into the muffler, look at that indentation. It's on both sides. They smash that pipe, and I actually called about this because I thought I broke it or smashed it when I was trying to take it apart. That's actually done by Honda, and they say it's literally to pass air through this shield past the muffler. It was some sort of aerodynamic thing. Now, CHP Motorsports, where I'm getting most of my parts, sells an exhaust for $211, full exhaust, chrome shields, exact reproduction looking muffler, everything, and it comes with the new header pipe that is not smashed. So this was really restricted. And this poor little bike was just starving at some point trying to push air out of it. That's basically what I've done so far here. I'll take you guys in, show you the parts, and then let you know what we're going to try and do for what we're going to save, and then what else we're going to buy. Okay, guys, so here is my parts room for everything. There's a headliner of my buddies in here, some Corvette stuff, seat covers to a Corvette I don't even own yet. Over here is basically what I've gathered so far for the little Z50, and then also some of the parts I've taken off. Of course, I've got stuff like the brand new Bridgestone tires that go on this thing. All of this comes from CHP Motorsports, and honestly, they're great. The one thing I could not find that I kind of trusted was the fender set online, because in 71 it was a 1 year only long fender. So these are the original fenders off the bike. They're actually in good shape. I'm just going to take and blast them and then take them down to the local chroming place here and have them do those. There's everything in here, guys. There's new emblems, there's new handle grips, there's new wiring harness in this box. I've got everything for this bike. One really cool piece that I did find, not through CHP, this was an eBay deal, and if you hunt, you can look for the K2 license plate frame or taillight holder. This is an exact reproduction, but they powder coated it. It's freaking awesome. I'm trying to do this one-handed. This piece is awesome. It's exact, it's perfect, and literally they put a really thick coat of black powder coat on it. This is exactly what I would have done to one. This is why I bought this piece. It was like $28, so you couldn't resist. And of course, I got the brand new tail light, stuff like that. We are actually going to take the headlight bucket into the local paint shop and have them match the color, because along this side, of course, this is dented up. It's being replaced. I bought a whole new assembly from CHP. This right here, of course, after I polish it, will show the actual true unfaded candy ruby red, probably in this area right here. And what we're going to do is go into the paint store here. They'll mix up a pint of paint a lot cheaper than it would be for you to try and order the exact paint code from Honda. You can get this laser scan. This is how I painted my dad's 72 Corvette. They scan this with a laser. They'll give you the exact color match or something very, very, very close that no one else will be able to tell the difference of. Same thing with the white on the tank. And then we're going to be able to paint this bike for a fraction of the cost. So I've got everything set. This is pretty much it right now. You guys see the parts. Everything's just kind of being organized. We're bagging screws, figuring out what we're going to need in the hardware department, and then getting everything ready to send off to either powder coating, paint, or chrome. So thanks for watching, guys. This is so far. There'll be more to come. See ya.